Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet 3762. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask. It can copy, scan, print from this printer. You can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. This printer is using ink cartridges 304. And this printer is HP Deskjet 2620. What I want to show you is for us to replace the ink cartridges. This printer is using 304. For us to do this, we need to, first of all, we need to plug this printer to the power. Okay, so they are using the same power cable. Okay, so plug it, push it in. This is where the power cable goes. This is where the USB cable goes. But the USB cable is not included in the packaging, so you just need to buy this separate if you want to connect this printer to your laptop using USB cable. Okay, so push it inside to plug the power cable. Okay, now the next thing to do is plug it onto the socket. Now this printer, you switch it on. Okay, so this is the on and off button for this printer. Okay, and from here, this is for it to copy color. This button is for it to copy color. This is for you to copy black, and this is web, and you can see Wi-Fi light is flashing. And this button here is for you to cancel, and this button here is resume. This is the LCD screen, you can see. Okay, so to replace the ink, what you need to do is open up this. Once you open up the door, the ink holder will come to the center for you to change it. It does it automatically. And also keep an eye on the stickers here. Okay, so the black goes to the right, the color goes to the left. Okay, so I got the ink cartridges here, and to replace the ink, what we need to do is so we start with the black one. Go in. Okay, push it upwards, push it up. Okay, now this is color. Go in, push it up. You hear a click sound. If you also want to go in and push it up, if you want to remove it, just press down and remove. Okay, and it's in. Now close it. Once you close it and give it some time. Okay, and now the ink is installed. If you look here, you will see that the ink cartridge, okay, the light that was flashing here is no longer flashing, so the ink is ready. Okay, so this is how to install the ink here. I received a message, someone asked how to print alignment head for this printer. To print alignment head, you need to select the printer image. Okay, when you select printer image, then you need to scroll down to print quality to select print quality tools. Okay, and when you select print quality tool, then you wait, continue your printer setting, click OK. It will take you to this place. Your connection is not private. Okay, go back to safety, ignore it, click advanced, select advanced, and now the next thing is it will actually, we see this back to safety, but I will ignore it. Just select proceed, and when you select proceed, it will take you to, here we go, it will take you to maintenance tool for the printer. This is maintenance tools. Run maintenance tool to improve the print quality of your printout. Okay, so you can do so many things. You can print quality reports, you can align cartridges, calibrate scanner, clean up, smear, clean print head. So I want us to align print head. Aligning print head will ensure high quality output. Okay, so select align print head. Okay, now, okay, so you look on each particular one. Okay, so you start from examine the alignment page, and on the alignment page you will find all the boxes in which the smaller line are the least visible. Then select the option for the boxes from the list below. So you go to the box A. Okay, so the way it works is, if you look box A, B, C, D, so you look on each one and select the image, then you key the image, the one where the line is very least. Okay, so now set the box A, you select on it. So I'm going to select 7A7. Okay, then it proceeds to box B. When you look on, then you look at box B, I'm going to select B10. Okay, then you look on the C line, so select C. So when you look on the image, C11, so C11 is what I'm selecting. Okay, then you look, the next is D, so you check on the D, select D and type the number. D9 is what I'm selecting. Then E, select E, and then you look on the image and see E11. Okay, then select F, then check the images. Okay, F5. Now the next is G, so I'm going to select G2. So when you look on the image, then the next is H. Okay, so H3. Okay, then the next is I, select I, then you check, so I11. Okay, then the next is J, select J5. Okay, so the next is K, so K7. Okay, then the next is L, select L, then you look on the image, L9. Okay, and the next is M. Okay, I think I will select M3. Can't really see anything on M3. Then the next is N, the last but not the least, N1. Okay, so then the next thing to do is, once you put the detail, you select apply. You can see alignment successful. Recycle or discard the alignment page. Okay, select OK. Okay, so now I can go back to the main, can go back to HP Smart App and start doing other things you want to do. But this printer now is pretty much ready for you to be able to print nice and quality photo and nice and quality document. I'm going to show you how to set up this printer for the first time. To set this printer up, you need to first of all press the Wi-Fi and the cancel button together to put this printer in a wireless mode. And when you do this, the printer will start to flash. You can see the on button is flashing. Okay, just for 3 seconds, then you release, and see the on button is flashing now. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is we need to go to HP Smart App. HP Smart App, download it on your computer. Okay, so this HP Smart App is already downloaded on my computer. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to select add. Okay, select add a printer. By the side, select add / set up a printer. Okay, and it will start to look for available printer. Here we go. So if you found the printer, okay, so select on it. Now it's telling us time to connect and set up and manage your printer. Select continue. Now is access Wi-Fi for the following network. So what you need to do is you select. If you select continue, it will try to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. But I usually like to select no, thank you, so that this will allow me to put the Wi-Fi password by myself. So I'm going to select no, thank you. Okay, so now I give you option for you to put the password. Okay, so we have to put the password. Sometimes people ask, where do you get the password? I have the Wi-Fi password for here. This information, you get it from the back of your broadband router. The same Wi-Fi you use for your mobile Android phone or whichever phone you are using is the same. The same Wi-Fi details, okay, is what you're going to use. So now I'm going to put the password. Okay. When you put the password finish, then you select the I sign at the end for you to see. Okay, so select the I sign, okay, for you to see, double check if the information you put is correct. If the information is correct, then you select connect. So what I'm doing now is checking the information to make sure that all the details are correct. is correct, because if you miss any of the details, it will not connect, I'm afraid. Okay, so now the next thing to do is we need to select connect. Select connect. Okay, and now printer is found. Okay, so the next is configuring the printer. Okay, you can see printer configured. Okay, so now it's joining network. Some printers, it will ask you to press flashing information, but in this case it's not asking that information. But we're just gonna wait for it to join network and finish the connection. Like this. Now I can see it's telling us unable to connect the network. To try again. Sometimes you may need to do this again. Unable to connect, try again. Okay, so we need to select the, okay, choose the network. So scroll down, okay, to select the correct network. Okay, and put the password. Okay, select connect. Okay, printer is found, so we join in the network. Sometimes you may need to do this a couple of times for this to work. You can see network join and printer is connected to network. You can see. So this is to show you now this printer connected to Wi-Fi network. Let's continue our guide setup. Okay, so select continue. So once you've done everything fine, it will show you that the printer is connected to network. So we're going to continue with the guide setup. Accept all. Okay, connected printing service, accept all. Now it's asking us about ink enrollment. I'm going to skip this offer. Okay, skip savings. Are you sure? Skip the offer. If you want to select ink service, then you go ahead. Okay, now it's asking us printer, adding the printer. Okay, so we need to add a code. Probably complete this step to add your printer. So we need to select the pin number. Okay, so open up the printer. Okay, there is a pin number here. We need to add. Okay, make sure the printer is connected to internet. Locate and code near. Okay, so this is the code here, so we're going to put the code. So the code, you will see the printer pin is what is here. Okay, so once you put the pin, you select add. You can also put the postcode where the printer is located. Okay, click continue. Okay, select auto update and select continue. Okay, so setup complete. Now print from other device. So you skip sending link. Now setup complete. Let's print. Select print. Okay, select print. And you can see the printer here, HP Deskjet 3700 series. The document we printed, maybe perhaps sometimes I have a lot of printers here, so you need to make sure you select the correct printer, otherwise it will not print. Select print document, and you will see supported file, document file type. Click OK. Now it will take you for you to print document you have from documents or anywhere you save the document you want to print out. Okay, you scroll down to select the document. Okay, so this is the document I want to print. Select this document and select print. Now this document now we are printing out is 2 pages. Okay, so you can see page 1 to 2. This is the second page. Okay, this is the second page, 1 to 2. Okay, now to print this document out, we need to select. You decide if you want to print it in color or black and white. Okay, so first of all, you select the orientation. You have option for landscape or portrait. Select landscape, and also you need to make sure you select the correct printer, and the paper size is A4, and the next is paper type is plain paper. Output, you select quality, highest quality or normal. Then you select how many copies. Okay, then you scroll down, you see duplex printing. If you want to print on one side, then you select print on one side. If you want to print on both sides, okay, with this printer you print on both sides, but you need to turn the document the other way around. Okay, so it will tell you how to print on both sides. So I'm going to show you how to print on both sides. Okay, then you scroll down and select page ranges. If a document you have is more than 11 or more than 2 or 4, okay, then you need to select page ranges. So you select particular pages you want to print. You can select print current page or print pages in range. If you want to print pages in range, maybe 1 to 4, then you select 1 to 4. Okay, but this document now is 2 pages, so I'm going to select print all pages, and then select print. Now this document is printing. Okay, now to print the second page. Okay, so to print the second page, what you need to do is you need to put the document you want to print the other way around. Okay, so put the document you want to print, okay, and select. Once it's gone in, okay, because once the document go in, you'll be able to print from the other side, and select continue. So you select continue. Okay, so this is the document we printed on both sides. You can see what it looks like. We printed this document on both sides. Okay, so you can actually print on both sides using your laptop. Printer now is set up. Okay, I received a question. Someone asked how to print document from your mobile phone to HP printer. Okay, wireless print from your mobile phone. So I'm going to show you how to do this. There are 2 ways to print document from your phone to any printer, or HP printer or Canon printer. What you need to do is you need to first of all make sure your phone and the laptop both are connected to the same network. Okay, now the next thing to do is you need to go to, once you've done that, then and also you have the paper loaded. Okay, then you go to your file. So when you select file, it will show you this is my file. Okay, so you have image, video, audio, track, document, download. Okay, and the installation, APK installation. So select documents. Now these are documents downloaded on my phone. Okay, so now I'm going to select this document, open it up. This is the document we have here. It's 2 pages document. So now to print this document out, you need to go on top. You see 3 dots. So select the 3 dots. When you select the 3 dots, you scroll down to print, select print, and when you select print, you will see this okay, but you need to make sure, scroll down again, you see the down arrow for you to select the correct printer. The printer showing here is Canon MG 3600 series, but you need to scroll down to select this printer, and when you scroll down you look for HP Deskjet 3700 series, select on it, okay, and you wait for the printer image to show, and this printer image now is showing, okay. So to print this document, you can also scroll down again, scroll down for you to add how many copies, change the color, and also to print double-sided, okay. If you want to print color, from color to black and white, then you select black and white or color. Like double-sided is not, this printer you cannot do double-sided here. And also the paper size is A4, orientation is portrait, and all the pages, if you want to print only particular page, then you select ranges, then you type page 1 if you want to print only page 1, or type page 2 if you want to print only page 2, or select all the pages, okay. Can select all the pages. Once you've done that, then you click on the print image. Here we go. Now this document is going to print out. It's the first one, very quick. Here we go. So this is the document we printed out from my phone to HP printer. Okay, 2 pages. This is the first one and second one. Another way to print the document is go to HP Smart App. Okay, and you can see the printer is ready. HP Deskjet 3700 series is ready. Now scroll down, go to print documents. It will ask you PDF or photo. Select PDF. Now it's going to take you to, for you to select the document you want to print. So this is the document I want to print, and here is 1 and 2. The same document we printed earlier is also what I want to print out. So select print, and now it's processing. Remember, we printed this document colored earlier, so now I want us to print this document black and white. Select black and white, okay. Orientation, portrait. You can also select more option. When you select more option, then you select the quality. You can select normal or best quality, or fit to page. Select fill page, then you go back. If you are printing photo, then you select photo, then you go back, select print. Now this document is printing. Okay, let's see. We printed it black and white. Okay, and this is the second one, black and white, and this is the one we printed color. So this is how to print your document, okay, wireless with your mobile phone. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel